Hello Cancers, this is your reading for the month of June. This is a special reading of secret message from your partner. So let's check out for my beautiful Cancer signs any secret message from your partner. Let's check out any secret message. Hermit card. Any secret message for my beautiful Cancers from their soulmate, from their partner. 10 of Wands. Secret message, what's going on your partner's end. So any secret message. Ace of Pentacle, 5 of Wands, 3 of Wands, Death card, and the Tower card. So something is not going well in their life, definitely, because lots of the cards that is representing that something is shaking on their end. Maybe this relationship, maybe this connection, or maybe they are going through some difficult phase where they are dealing with a lot of arguments, fights, and the burdens. That's why there is ending and the Tower card, destruction of something. So let me describe each and everything. But I am getting that this is all going on in your relationship, because this person is not talking to you. First card is the strongest card, that is the Hermit card. This person going inside, and this person do some sort of a self-analyzing. They are taking some self-space where they have to analyze something. So in a deep thinking, in a good way, in a soul searching kind of a way, spiritual side, this person just try to analyze everything by using their inner wisdom, right? They are seeking for the enlightenment about this connection. So this person is not talking currently, right? And the next card we see the 10 of Wands. This person really feel a lot of burden on their shoulder, whether it's related to your love connection, whether it's responsibilities from their family members or something, but this person feel the burden. So they are feeling a lot of burden on their shoulder. 5 of Wands, these double the energy. This person really going through some difficult phase right now in their life, and this difficult phase led them to follow the spiritual path. Whatever the burden this person is feeling, this is all happen so that they will choose their spiritual path. So yes, there is a lot of arguments, conflicts that this person involved, maybe with you or their friends or whatever, but this person definitely going through a lot of like mental depression, burden. So they are going through all these anxiety. Maybe this is hidden from you. If this is not with you, this is not going on in your connection, then they are hiding the fact that they are going through some difficult phase, and that's why they are not talking to you. The next card we have 3 of Wands. This person is patiently waiting for the right time. This person is not making any move right now, because this person is waiting for the right time, because right now they are not feeling so that this is the right time. And the Tower card and the Death card, there are some sort of endings on their side, maybe in this connection, or maybe something else is like ending at their end. So they are going through some sort of a changes, transformation after destruction. If you already like breakup you have with this person, then this is like ending of your relationship, and now this is the time for them of transformation and to follow the spiritual path. That is all going on. And if that's not the case, then they are definitely going through some other difficult things in their life, and something is like shaking their whole world. They are transforming because something what they don't expect, something is shocking, some sort of a shock that this person is going through, that's lead to transformation and changes in their life, and to become follow this spiritual path. And after following this spiritual path, they definitely start everything from the new end, because before what you both have or what they have in their life, their old behavior, Tower may be representing their old behavior, their ego, maybe something with their friends, family members, or maybe with you. Something is destructing in their life for the better so that they build something new in their life, new beginnings, right? That is more stable, that is more having a strong foundation, strong base. So that is all gonna be happen, so that's something good starting on their end. So this person is going through some transformational phase. The secret is that this person is really feeling the burden, they are going through really difficult phase, everything is like destruction going on in their end, and they are now changing, and changing make a new beginning in their life, from tower to the new beginning, transformation. So they are going through a transformational phase so that this beautiful new beginning happen in their life with you, or maybe in their life, right? So this is all going on, so they are transforming for the new beginnings. So this is the all secret message. Let me take any love message from your partner side for my beautiful cancers. So you have 3 cards. Clarity, this is like reverse, but eternally yours. So maybe they are still searching for the answer, still they are searching for the clarity, externally yours. So they have to believe that this is something special connection. Denial, I keep telling myself it's not over. So maybe if already over, star card, already everything over in your connection, then they are still in a denial that everything is over. And the last message, speechless, I can't find the right words. This person don't know what to say, they are totally speechless. This person is speechless, they are seeking for the clarity, and they are in the denial that everything is over, right? So they do want to follow the spiritual path, so they will be enlightened about the, and they will become getting the clarity in their life to start something new and beautiful. Any divine message for this connection? Envy, so maybe you or this person may be envy upon the another person in some sort of a way, if you are talking with someone else, or maybe if they are the one who is talking with someone else. So some sort of a jealous kind of energy is still there in your connection. One more card. Okay, we have caring connection. Yes, this is caring connection, but at the same time there is some sort of a jealousy issues in this connection, but this is something like caring connection. Any divine suggestion or advice for my viewers? Divine suggestion for my viewers. I'm not taking 3 cards, just 1 card for my viewers. Just 1 card. Just 1 card. Okay. Sleep is a spiritual practice. Sleep is a spiritual practice. So maybe if you are not taking proper sleep or proper taking care of your health, then there is some sort of a, this is also a spiritual practice, and that is not a sleeping type of a thing. For some, if you are not taking proper sleep, then take proper sleep, and for others who is already taking a proper sleep, then spiritual practice is like yog nindra. You may also try that thing, that will help in some sort of a way in your whatever health issues you are going through, right? So spiritual practice is all about meditation, that state where you don't actually sleep but you close your eyes. That is the state of stillness and the meditation, or maybe you try the yog nindra, right? So this is the some messages for my beautiful viewers. If you like, then like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.